Welcome back to our e-learning class, my dear children of class 7. So let's start reading this chapter, that means which we have already started in our previous class, that is chapter number 1 on equality. Now there we have started to read about the story of Kanta, and we have seen that how Kanta, she was standing along with many others in the line or in a line for casting vote. And we have also seen that while casting our own vote, what Kanta said, that I will vote for the candidate who has promised to bring pipe water to our area. Now let's see what happens next. Afterwards, we'll see you later, Kanta. Yes, Namaste Sahib. Gudiya has been running fever and I have to take her to the hospital. But I will have to finish the work at Sahib's house first and ask for some advance. At home, here have some of this, I will feel better. And when I get back in the evening, we'll go to the hospital. Okay? It's no wonder that Gudiya falls ill often. The basti is never cleaned. So here we can just see the condition of a mother who is somewhat financially not sound enough, and she is just working as a domestic worker, and her daughter Gudiya, she is quite ill, and here Kanta, she has to take her to the hospital. But see the pathetic condition of a mother. She cannot take a day off from her work to take her daughter to the hospital or to a doctor, because she has to complete her work first and she has to ask for some advance, because might be she is not having enough money in her hand to take her daughter to the hospital. And even she could understand that why her daughter Gudiya, she often falls ill. Might be because of the reason that the basti where they live, it is not cleaned properly, or it is written over here is never cleaned. That means it is not cleaned ever. Make sure to do the corners properly. Here's your advance, Kanta, but don't make a habit of it. See again how pathetic condition. Here the mother is asking some sort of advance. She is not asking for any sort of any donation or any charity. She is just asking for the advance, which will be just cut from her every month's salary, or might be for from that month's salary the money will be just deducted. No madam, just few more minutes, Betty. Jan madam and Jan Sahib may stand in line to vote, but they never have to do it when their children are sick. Now this question, it has come to Kanta, or it has just come in her mind, that while it is the matter of casting vote, at that time even her employer, better to say her employers, they were standing along with her in the same line. But during this time of while she is standing there in front of the hospital, there she can understand where lies the difference. Where lies the difference? She can just understand from the core of her heart that we are reading about equality, or we are discussing about equality, but equality, it is having some sort of limit, it is having some sort of boundary. So students, in our next video we will proceed with the next part of the chapter. So it's time to say bye today. Bye.